Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add icon in GoHighLevel website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your icon file into GoHighLevel's media library, so it's ready to use anywhere on your pages, emails, or funnels. This is useful when you want to add small visual elements like check marks, phone icons, social media icons, service icons, arrows, badges, or brand symbols that make your design look more polished and easier to understand. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and opening your workspace. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find Media Storage. This is where all your images, icons, and files live. Think of it as your central library, which keeps everything organized and easy to reuse across your projects. Instead of uploading the same icon again and again on different pages, you can upload it once here and use it whenever you need it. Once you're in media storage, click the upload button. This opens the upload options, so you can bring your icon from your computer into your account. This step is simple, but it is important because uploading your icon to the media library first makes it easier to access later when you are designing a website page, funnel section, email layout, or landing page. Before you continue, a quick tip on file types. Icons typically look best as SVG for crisp scaling at any size, or PNG if you need transparency. Aim for a small file size, under a few hundred kilobytes, so your pages load quickly. SVG icons are especially helpful for clean website designs because they stay sharp on desktop, tablet, and mobile screens. PNG icons are also a good option if your icon has a transparent background or a more detailed design. You'll see choices to upload a single file or an entire folder. If you already have a dedicated folder of icons on your computer, maybe different sizes or styles, uploading the whole folder can save time and keep everything grouped. This is helpful if you are working on a full website design and already have icons for services, features, benefits, testimonials, contact sections, or social links. If you're just adding one icon for now, choose the file option. Select Upload File. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to where your icon is saved. Select it and click Open. Make sure you are choosing the correct version of the icon before uploading, especially if you have multiple colors or file formats saved in the same folder. If you manage a lot of assets, it helps to give your file a clean, searchable name before uploading, like checkmark-green.svg or phone-icon.png. Clear naming makes it much easier to find later when you're building pages. For example, instead of naming the file something like image1 or final icon, use a name that describes what the icon is, what color it is, and where it may be used. After you click Open, GoHighLevel will begin the upload. Depending on your connection and file size, this usually takes just a moment. When it's done, you'll see the icon appear in your media storage library. Once it appears there, it means the file is now saved inside your GoHighLevel account and can be used in your designs without needing to upload it again. If you don't spot it right away, try refreshing the view or using the search bar with the file name you chose. Sometimes, files may take a moment to show, especially if you uploaded multiple items at once. Searching by the file name is usually the fastest way to confirm that your icon uploaded correctly. That's it. The icon is now stored in your GoHighLevel account and ready to insert wherever you need it. You can use it to improve the visual layout of your website, highlight key benefits, make buttons or sections easier to understand, or add a more branded feel to your pages and campaigns. As you continue adding assets, consider creating folders inside media storage to separate icons from larger images or videos. Consistent organization keeps your workflow fast and your team on the same page. For example, you could create folders like website icons, social icons, service icons, client logos, background images, and email graphics. This makes it much easier to manage your assets as your account grows. Quick recap. Open GoHighLevel, go to Media Storage, click Upload, choose whether you're bringing in a file or a folder, select Upload File, pick your icon, and click Open. Before you move on, also remember to use the right file format, keep the file size light, and give your icon a clear name so you can find it quickly later. Your icon is now available in your library for use across your site and campaigns. From here, you can continue building cleaner, more professional pages with consistent visual assets that support your brand and make your design easier for visitors to follow.